St David's Day signing ceremony really is an historic event for the City region, and we're delighted that we're coming a step nearer to them today with the ratification of the deal here at the airport.
That on March the 1st we take another important step towards this, the first city deal in Wales. As we sign the legal agreement, it will confirm without any shadow of a doubt the 10 councils of the Cardiff Capital Region have worked together and will work together to improve the economy and the economic well-being of the area. And not only just for us, but for the benefit of everyone, whether they live, work or visit the region.
The target is to achieve 25,000 jobs over the lifetime of the City deal, and it's only by working together as a collaborative that we are going to do that. This is the first time I feel that everybody is actually on the same page, working for the same goal, and that is going to be fundamental. Going forward, we are obviously partnering with Welsh Government. Infrastructure is going to be a massive part of the City deal, let alone the £734 million which is going to be on the metro, and what the business sector are crying out for is a simple, straightforward, streamlined approach to help us drive jobs, because ultimately it will be the private sector which will deliver the jobs. We're there to help facilitate and guide with some of that, but ultimately it will be the private sector, and that's where we must put our determination to. So there is a huge amount of work going on, so I hope that while media attention turns to politics and local elections over the next couple of months, I hope people don't think that the City deal is stagnating for a period of time, because that certainly is not the case. There is a real programme going forward. So can I end at that point, just thank everybody who's been involved. It has been a massive team effort, and I'm very grateful to have been playing a role as part of this.
On behalf of Cardiff Airport, we thank you for the honour of hosting this great event today, and we promise you that we will do everything we can to support and assist you all in achieving your ambition. Our local authorities do the vitally important little things day in, day out across our region. But today, you have come together to do a big thing. This Cardiff Capital Region City deal is a big deal.